Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire Gallery ice maker, ice light blinking, sensor bin paddle troubleshooting. Fix 1. Hard power reset. You just have to unplug the refrigerator or flip the circuit breaker for 5 to 10 minutes. Unplug the unit back in and wait for 24 hours for internal temperature to stabilize. Allow the system to cycle normally during this period. Fix to clear ice jams. Turn off the ice maker using the power switch or control panel. Remove the ice bin to access the mold cavity. Then click the mold cavity for any issue. Generally, break up the large clumps of ice or stuck cubes in a plastic utensil. Fix 3. Check water supply and filter. Ensure the water line behind the fridge is not kinked or pinched. You just have to check the water valve is fully turned on. Replace the water filter if it is over 6 months old or clogged to maintain water flow. Order replacement directly via Frigidaire filters. Fix 4. Adjust freezer temperature. You just have to use the refrigerator control panel to set the freezer temperature from 0 degree to minus 80 degrees Celsius. You just have to allow up 24 hours for a temperature to stabilize. Fix 5. Run a test or self-cleaning cycle. Press and hold the on or off button or specific button combination like plus or minus. Then hold until the light blinks rapidly and the motor engages. The ice maker will perform a test process to reset its sensor. Thanks for watching.